Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm coming live to you from my kitchen, and I want to take you through my favorite family dinner recipe on rice. So we're going to be cooking rice and steamed vegetables. So we are going to cook vegetable rice and we are going to cook beef. I already boiled my beef, you can see it's here. Then I have my broccoli and carrots. I steamed them. Then we have coriander or dania and whole, and we are going to blend in everything in this one here. We have whole, we have white onions, we have coriander, and we have tomato. So that one we are going to put it in here and blend it so that we can use it to cook the beef. Then in the meantime, because I normally steam my vegetables and just sprinkle them on top of my rice, which is already cooking, you can zoom in. So this is my rice, this is pearl. So it's almost it has cooked already. So I'm going to just put in my steamed vegetables on top like that. They are salted, so as I steam them, I salt them so that they can have that sweet taste. Then I'm going to mix everything up like this, here like that. And because everything is cooked now for that part, my rice is good now. I already cooked it because I didn't want to waste a lot of time, you can see. So this is my steamed vegetable rice. You can fry the vegetables if you love them fried, but mine, I just steamed them and added them on top of my rice just like that. It looks so nice. So this one, it's going to cook for a few seconds and then I'm going to put it off. Now for my beef, I'm going to show you how I normally prepare it. So as we blend in everything there, I'm going to let the onions cook. Let me take something here, sorry. Good. So I'm going to let these ones cook. As I work on these ones, I'm going to blend them. So guys, our onions are cooked as you can see. So I'm going to add in my beef like that. Then I'm going to fry it in the onions for a minute or two. We're going to put our blended mixture. Remember, here we have tomatoes, we have white onions, we have green peppers and we have just a small bit of coriander. So I'm going to put it there as I wait for my beef to cook in the oil for some minutes. So if your kids don't like seeing tomatoes in their food, you can always blend it. That way you get a fine mixture here like this. Yeah, this one makes me miss the smoothies that we normally make. So we continue to brown our beef. So our meat has browned, you can see even the onions have browned too. So now we are going to add this in here. So now we are going to let that cook for a minute or two, and then when it's cooked, we are going to add in this. This is the soy sauce, the light superior. I normally use the dark superior for the breakfasts if you watch my previous videos. So today we are going to be using this one, the light superior. So we are going to wait for this to cook. I'm going to cover the pan. So you can see that everything is cooked now. Just look how yummy it looks. So I'm going to add in this, just a little. Of it. So then I'm going to mix it up like that. I love the taste of soy sauce. So like that. Then because of public demand, we are going to garnish with some Daniel like that. And boom, our dinner is ready. So I'm going to serve it so that you can see how everything turned out in this recipe. Just look, it looks so yummy. And notice this, my stew isn't dry because we are going to be taking it with rice. So we made sure that it was not very dry. So I'm going to serve the food so that you can get to see how it turned out. Yes, so this is our steamed vegetable rice. You can just look how it turned out. So here we have the broccolis there, and we have the carrots. Those are the vegetables that I used. Then so we have that is our rice, and then we have our beef here. You're going to thank me for this recipe because I know you're going to love it if you try it out. Just look how the beef turned out. Oh, that is too much. That's too much. And for the love of bones, so I'm going to put one there. Then I'm going to taste it so that I can see whether it's sweet, whether it's as yummy as it looks. So no, it's very hot. It's very hot. It's perfect. The beef is very soft. The rice and the vegetables blend in very well. So tell me in the comment section whether you're going to try this recipe, and if you try it, come back and tell me how much would you give it. 10 over 10, 1 over 10. So out of a scale of 10, what it costs. Thank you very much. Welcome for dinner. Bye bye. See you next time.